Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Little Hearts Super Kids and to our series of Meet the Personality. Today let's learn about a chef. Let's begin by knowing who is a chef. A chef is a person who works in the kitchen of restaurants, hotels and ships. They create menus, prepare food, and manage kitchen. They have a degree from a culinary school. Let's learn about some necessary kitchen items. You may find a knife which is very sharp, used to cut vegetables, fruits, meat, and fish. Whisker is used to blend food into smooth paste. Graters for shredding food into small pieces. Spatula is used to stir food. Cooking pan is needed to cook the food. Peeler is used to peel vegetables such as potatoes. Flour is used for baking or cooking. A chef is known to make loads of delicious dishes every day. I'm sure you all love to eat good food, don't you? Now let's learn about a chef's uniform. It consists of a hat or two which is white in color and is of different size based on chef's rank. It avoids the hair to fall in the food. A white coat which indicates cleanliness and avoid heat from kitchen and apron to avoid staining clothes. Do you know we kids can also help in kitchen? It's so much fun to bake cookies, muffins and cakes. We can try our hand in making pasta or simply having fun in rolling dough. By doing mixing, cutting and grating, we improve our motor skills. We improve our math skills by learning about weight and measurement. It is also great sensory activity. Thank you all for watching it. Hope you liked it. See you until next time.